Alright, today we're going to do a dance tutorial on how to do the dance to the song Make It Right by BTS and Lauv. Love. Anyways, it's a great song and it's a great dance, so I'm going to break it down for you guys step by step. Okay, starting with mini section 1, let me just show you a quick preview of what you're about to learn, alright? I'm going to keep it simple, just going to start with this. And boom, ta, ta. That's it. All right, let's break that down. So the very first move is this one. Where? Let me show you this version and then I'm gonna show you a simpler version, all right? So this version is jumping up, landing on your left, and then your right goes here, slide it out in a circle, around, and as soon as you're here, you wanna take a step back with your right, and then the left goes next to it, okay? Let me show you again. Actually, let me show you with a simple move in the beginning. So the simple move, instead of jumping, is just raising your right and then doing the circle here. Okay, that's more simple. And then step right, step left. Okay, just try it with me, whichever version you prefer. We're gonna go and jump, slide, right, left. All right, notice how my body is turning from facing the front here to over here, okay? That's as soon as I go step, step, okay? Sort of diagonal. So let me recap one more time. This one with the simple version. I'm going lift up my right, and then slide it around here, and then I go step right, step left. Now, as for the timing, the music goes, all right. So we want to hit the pretty simple, right? We just hit every beat in the beginning. So it's all right, let's try and practice that a few times. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go okay? A bit slower. 5, 6, 7, 8, and one more time. A bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, and Moving on to mini section 2, let me start with a quick preview. So we ended like this in mini section 1. 2 goes boom, 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 boom. And let me break it down for you. So if standing here, what you want to do is take a small step with your right, like that. Because you're prepping to say left knee up. Okay, so when you do that together, it's going to look like this. Right, left. Okay, just try that a couple of times. Right, left, right, left. Now, you want to do arms as well. So you want to go, let me just show you to the front, only arms. I go cross, and then I go out. Cross, out. Okay, so when you combine it, it's gonna look like this. Cross, out. Okay, try that a few times. Cross, out. Again, cross, out. Okay, now from here, what you want to do is a small jump on your left, back, and then you go jump on the right again, boom, and then the left just goes down. Okay? So let me just repeat the last part here. I went jump left, jump right, and left down. Okay? Try that a few times. Wing. Again. Wing. Notice how I go. Go back, front, down. Okay? Once you can do that, you want to add the arms as well. And it's basically just repeating this again, okay? So cross, out, okay? So we did it in the beginning where we said cross, out. Now when we jump back, we want to say cross. And then when we jump to the front, we want to go out, here. Okay? Try that a few times. So if you want to, you can just do it from where your left knee is up. You go jump cross, out, here. Okay, so let's just quickly recap. This was end up in section 1. 2 goes cross, knee, jump, and here. And let's do the timing as well. So the timing is all right. Okay, so mini section 1 was all right. All right, so you get the context as well. All right, let's try and practice that a few times. So I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go did, all right, do. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, did, all right, do. Try that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, did, all right, do. Okay guys, feel free to practice some more if you need to, either section 1 or section 2. But if you're ready, then I think we should practice mini section 1 and mini section 2. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna practice. Alright, so a quick recap, it goes dum did alright. Okay, let's practice. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go and boom. 5, 6, 7, 8, and boom. Alright. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and boom. Alright. And one last time, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, and boom. Alright. Okay, moving on to mini section 3. I'm sure a quick preview. And as soon as you're in 2, you go boom, boom, boom. Let me break that down for you. So, the head is easy. You just go from looking over here to look here. Okay? Actually, my body is faced this way. And then I go boom. Okay, now from here, what I want to do is take a step with my left, alright? And my right arm goes here. Okay? So, let me just show you again. Because from here, what I want to do is I want to go here, prep with the right before I say boom. Okay? So I lift my right, and as soon as I land, I want to go down and bend. Okay? Knees to the sides. And my arms follow as well. Okay? Let me do a quick recap here. So it's basically just activate the head, then it's small step, and then out. Okay, down the level. Just watch. Alright. Boom. Step. Out. Now, as for the timing, it goes dum, alright. Okay. Let me show you again, just watch. Dum, alright. Let's practice. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. I wanna do the stomp as well so you get used to it. Boom. Because that will activate the head. So I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. Alright. That's how we're gonna practice. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. Alright. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. Alright. Okay, mini section 4, let me show you a quick preview. Just percent on 3, 4 goes boom, tap, 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 tap. Let me explain. So what you want to do is, you went from here, you want to go step right, and then roll. Okay, so went from here to roll. From here, what I want to do is go grab left knee, notice I took a small step, and then right knee, step with right, okay? Let me rewind a bit. Wait, I went roll, left, right. Okay, my left arm is just up here, resting. Okay, let me show you again. Roll, left, right. Now from here, what I want to do is I want to go jump, left, right. Okay, let me just show you that again. I went left, right. Okay, from the beginning, let me recap here. I do roll, left, right, jump, jump. As for the timing, the melody just keeps repeating, so it's just the alright, alright, alright. So this is okay, let's try and practice. So I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go boom, okay, just a bit slower. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. Did. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. Did. Alright, we're almost at the end, guys. Let's do the last minute section and then we're gonna practice the full dance. So the last minute section, let me just show you a quick preview. This was in a 4. 5 goes. Oh, I can't get right. Time breakdown. So we just says this was in 4. 5 goes. You want to take a step out with your left. Notice how my right knee bends here because I want to pull myself up slowly. Okay, so I want to go down to pull myself up. Pull up. Okay, now from here, as soon as you're up, you actually want to help yourself the last bit of the way here, and then you want to take a step out with your right to push off and turn around. Right, so I'm using my right to say push off. Okay, I'm turning around here, and then I stop, then I go point, and then I go look down. Okay, and if the spin is too hard for you, maybe too fast for you, just do whatever. All right, make it your own. But that's how the dance goes. So let me just show you again. We did here. Boom, stop, point, down. Now I do a small thing where I go out. All right, so I sort of use that to get some momentum for my turn here. I go out before I turn around with my arms. Okay, just watch. I'm doing this. 1, stop, point, down. Now, as for the timing, you probably already heard me sing it, but I'm just gonna do it again. So it goes. Oh, I can make it right. All right, guys, let's try and practice that a few times. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'm gonna go. Oh, I can make it right. A bit slower, of course. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I can make it right. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. I can make it right. Okay, let's do the full dance now. I'm gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna practice. Okay, quick recap. It goes like this. Boom. Did, alright. Boom. Did, alright. Boom. Did, oh, I can make it right. Alright, guys, let's practice. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go and boom. 5, 6, 7, 8, and boom. Did, alright. Boom. Did, alright. Boom. Did, oh, I can make it right. Okay, let's try that a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, and boom. Alright, boom. Alright, boom. Oh, I can make it right. Feel free to practice some more if you need to. I'm just gonna do it one last time to the normal tempo. Goes like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, and boom. Alright, boom. Alright, boom. Oh, I can make it right. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.